The Innerwell 12-inch stainless steel frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It is made of stainless steel. This makes it strong and long-lasting. The pan has a non-stick surface, so your omelets and other foods won't stick. It also comes with a glass lid. The lid helps to trap heat and moisture. This makes cooking easier and faster. The Innerwell 12-inch stainless steel frying pan is a versatile tool. You can use it on different stovetops. These include induction, gas, ceramic, and electric tops. This Innerwell 12-inch stainless steel frying pan has a 4.5 qt capacity. This means you can cook a good amount of food in it. The handle is designed to stay cool. This is a great safety feature. It prevents burns while you are cooking. The pan is also easy to clean. Food slides off easily because of the non-stick coating. This saves you time and effort after cooking delicious meats and other dishes. The performance of this pan is noteworthy. It heats up evenly. This helps your food cook properly. For those who care about health, this pan is a good choice. The non-stick coating means you can use less oil. This makes your meals healthier. The Innerwell 12-inch stainless steel frying pan is also designed with convenience in mind. The glass lid lets you see your food without lifting it. This keeps the heat inside. Many users give this pan high stars for its quality and ease of use. Shipping is usually fast, so you can start cooking with it soon. It's a fantastic case of good design meeting great performance in your kitchen range. Pros: stainless steel, non-stick 4.5 qt capacity, sauté pan style, omelette pan use, skillet. Design: cooling handle, glass lid included, induction ready, gas stovetop OK, ceramic stovetop OK, electric stovetop OK. Cons: might stick food, assembly needed, lid storage issue, handle might loosen, not fully. Non-stick, smaller cook surface, can be pricey, durability concerns, uneven heating, cleaning. Difficulty features: 12-inch size, stainless steel 4.5 qt capacity, sauté pan style, non-stick surface, omelette. Friendly, includes glass lid, cooling handle, induction ready, gas stovetop. Use this Innerwell 12-inch frying pan is made of stainless steel and can hold 4.5 quarts of food. It's a sauté pan, which means it has straight sides and a flat bottom. Great for cooking things like vegetables or stir-fries. The pan has a non-stick surface, so your food won't stick easily. And it's also good for making omelets. It comes with a glass lid to help trap heat and moisture while cooking. The handle is designed to stay cool to the touch, making it safer to use. You can use this pan on different kinds of stoves, including induction, gas, ceramic, and electric. This Innerwell 12-inch stainless steel pan is a 4.5 qt sauté-style skillet designed for omelets and general cooking on various stovetops, including induction, gas, and ceramic, though it might stick on electric ones. It features a non-stick surface, a cooling handle, and a glass lid, but it requires assembly, and the lid storage might be tricky. Some users might find the handle can loosen over time. The non-stick isn't perfect. The cooking area is a bit small, and it could be expensive with potential durability and uneven heating issues. Plus, it might be hard to clean.